Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And I am just popping on today to share with you this magazine that I got from my dad's house, actually, from the Postal Service. And this is looks like volume 26, quarter 4. I believe I don't think this is something that you purchase. As a matter of fact, I know it isn't, because if my father has it, it's likely free, because he's very frugal, much like me. Anyways, but I gather his mail each week and bring it in for him, and I happened to see this, and so I was, enthralled with the contents, and he wasn't so much, because all he wants is a book of stamps, really. So I wanted to come on and share with you what I found on the inside of here. Now, for us journal makers and card makers, I found that there are some really cute things inside that we could use in our crafting. All of the different stamps that it has. Let me bring this down some so you guys can see. And let's see. Oh, there we go. And then, so as you can see here, there's some stamps here, holiday stamps, winter theme stamps, like larger ones you can cut out. You can use them in your journals. Now remember, this is trademark, postmarked, or not postmarked, but this is copywritten, protected. So this is not something you're going to scan in and use in your digital kits or anything like that, or make available for sale, because it's prohibited and it's probably a felony, a federal offense. But it has some really nice images, and it offers the stamps that you can collect. There's stamps in here that are like $300. Okay. While I am not necessarily a stamp collector, I do like the images that they show. So let me bring this down just a bit more. You guys can see it a little bit better. Like that. Really nice. What do you call it? Illustrations. You've got Yogi Berra, August Wilson, Chien Shung Wu, Heritage Breeds, Japanese American Soldiers, science themed ones, Lunar New Year, Star Wars. And I'm not really a fan of Star Wars, but oh look, espresso. So those are the forever stamps. And then, well look, hip hop b-boy. Now I might want to collect these just to put in a a collection journal or something like that. But I'm sharing this with you so that you have an opportunity, possibly while they have them available, to go ahead and put an order in and have one shipped to your home as well, so that you can use these use some of the images here in some of your creations, because I believe it's free. Isn't that gorgeous? And even those are. So pretty. I'm gonna look down here. Healing PTSD. So these are awareness stamps. Alzheimer's, vanishing species, ones that are in threat of being extinct. A couple butterfly ones down here. Some fruit right there. Oh, they got a stamp yearbook. And let's see what else we have here. So I'm just doing a quick flip through, giving you some ideas that may inspire you to get the catalog, and who knows, you might want to purchase some of these for yourself. This is a writing set, so it has souvenir sheet, postcard, and pen, although that pen is adorable. Okay, so I just wanted to pop on real quick and share that with you. The United Postal Service has come out with its own catalog for this quarter, the last quarter of the year. So you might want to grab that. And thanks for dropping by. If you're new to the channel and you like what you saw here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And go ahead and click the subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And for those who are returning subscribers and my regular viewers, I want to thank you for supporting the channel, for your continued feedback and words of encouragement. And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.